3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 8. So find out the x value. This x value. How? First we can write this 3 to the power x, and this we can write 3 to the power x into 3 to the power cube. We can write this, and this is 8. And now take the common of 3 to the power x. So there is 1, and there is the 3 to the power 3. So this is the 27, this is the 8, and so 3 to the power x is equal to, this is 8, and divide this 28 and cut the 4, so 4 2 by 7. And now take the log, so log 3 to the power x is equal to log 2 by 7. So there x log 3, this is the log 2 by 7, and so x value is, so log 2 by 7 is equal to, we can write the log 2 minus log 7, and log 3 is divided here, so log 3 divide here. From here, so x value, we know the log 2 value is approximately 0.301 log 2 value, and approximately log 7 value is 0.845, and approximately log 3 value approximately the 0.477. So there, this is cut, so cut here, this is the 4, and this is the 4, this is the 5.0, and this is the minus. Divide the 0.477, and we calculator use, so there we can write, this is the approximately this. So x value is approximately this.